Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you about how to make a button press effect in CSS. Let's begin. First of all, I'm created a button press effect folder in desktop. It is a empty folder. Now I'm open this folder in VS Code. I already opened this folder in VS Code. I'm going to create a file inside this folder index.html. I can give any name. Now I'm going to insert the necessary tags using exclamation mark and press enter will be included and giving a title like I'm going to give a title like CSS button press effect. You can give whatever title as you like. Now inside this body we should create a button tag for the button. The name of the button you can give like press me. Now you can see that file. You can see here press me button is created. Now we should style this. I'm going to give an id equal to btn, and I'm going to use a it is internal css. You also can also use here a link tag and use external css or external css also. I'm going to use internal css. Now I am citing that button. Sorry, for id we should use hashtag. For class we should use dot. Is here I give given id. For id we should use hash and followed by that id. For class we should use like dot. For id we should use hash. I am going to comment this. For a class we should use dot, and for id we should use hash. I am selecting that id btn, and I'm giving height 100 pixels, width 200 pixels. Now you can see it is created. Now I think this is perfect. Now I'm using the background color which is light sea green. Light sea green. Now you can see, and also I'm using border radius 10 pixels. It will be, now you can see it will be curve. The button will be reduced to a circle like shape. The corner will be reduced to a circle. If I increase this 20 pixel, it also will reduce more. You can see here. And also turning my cursor to a pointer. Pointer is the hand like symbol you can see here. Um, Now for can give 10 pixels. For the button pressing effect, we need to button use active button colon active. When the button is active, we need to transform. Selecting the transform and select that scale 0.90. Now you can see the button is going down, going inside. If I increased it to 100 means you can see it increases. 0.1 means you can see 0.100. You can give 0.90. It will be perfect. When I increases this, it will lightly it will go inside. If I increase to 105, now it will like it will zooming. It will coming forward. It will coming forward to us. I'm not doing that. I'm going to go. It should go inside while kicking the button. It should go inside like this. It should go inside. I'm like 0.95. Now we can place this button in center of the body by using display flex. If you don't know what is flex, we are already uploaded the video about flex. You can check it out in our channel. Let's continue. Now let's continue our tutorial. Then we should use like justify content center. This justify content also I included in that video. Justify content align items also center, which will align the cross axis and main axis in center. Justify content is used to control the main axis, and the align items is used to control cross axis. Now you can see it is placed in center. Placed in center. Now I'm going to give the height as 100 vh. Now you can see here it will be in center of the web page. Now I'm zooming in. It also increases its size. I'm changing the color of the button to white. Now check we can give the function for this button to simply check it is whether it's working or not. I'm going to to I'm going to change the entire body background color to black. When I click this button, the body background color should be changed to black. When I click this button, when I again click this button, it should change it to it, it should change back to white, this default color. Let's implement it using JavaScript. I am going to include like script tag. Inside this script tag, I'm going to get this id in a variable. We can give the variable, and document dot get element by id. Inside this id we can give this button. Inside this id we can give this button, and I'm going to add a event listener for this variable. Event listener, we can give click while clicking the button. For that, I'm using this click. You can also see like change that events also exist in here, but I'm using this click event. Click on clicking the button, you should call a function. This is nothing but it is an arrow function. You can give like function also, function keyword. You can give also like this function keyword also. You can give like function, and use that. I'm not using that. I am using this arrow function. I'm using this arrow function. Inside this function, I'm going to change the, also for the body I'm giving id like b. Now we should style dot background color b dot b dot, inside this body tag I am going to style and changing the background color to black. Now I think so it will work. So now you can see it is working. The body is changed to black while clicking this button. It is not changing back to white. For that, we should use like, I am commenting this, and using a if condition. If b dot style dot background color double equal to, which means equality operator. Equality is not it is checks whether this matching, whether this both condition are matching. It is equality comparison operator. It is used to check the two values are equal or not, this value and this value. I'm going to for if it is uh, if it is black, means I will change it to like, I'm just copying this. If it is black, I'm just changing it to white. Else v dot style, i'm just I'm just control C and control V for copying this. And if not, I'm going to keep keep it as black. Now let us see it is working or not. Refreshing the page. Now I'm clicking this button. Now the body background is converted into black. Now I'm again clicking this button. It is converted into white. This both this condition are working. That's all about this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Thank you.